Before I came to Australia, I work as an advertising creator and I have my own company.
I already had my bachelor's in computer science and I did my MBA as well. And after that, I worked for 15 years in the e-commerce industry in India, back in Malaysia and Saudi Arabia as well.
Just 4 months ago, I came here. Before, I'm 2 years working in UK and almost 12 years I'm working in Middle East in Dubai.
This program is very helpful for immigrants because when you came in a different countries, everything is different.
I'm a former civil engineer in Sri Lanka, so that's why I like this program, to get knowledge and enhance my knowledge in the construction field.
The migrant program is really a special program because when migrants first land in Australia, and they could have different backgrounds, especially the professional backgrounds, they don't know how to find the entry door to companies and stuff. This taster program really gives you exposure.
And the opportunity to be in Australia is something I won't forget. We've been trained so that we can work and enjoy the benefits. I'm really energized to go back to work.
Gin and Dairy is more than just bricks and mortar. Social inclusion is extremely important, and the Spark program is one of the ways that Gin and Dairy shows their commitment to improving the educational, social and economic outcomes of people living in the capital region. This 9-week program for migrants and refugees has been a taster program, and it's given participants the opportunity to gain new skills and knowledge in the construction industry.
I gained this study, having the knowledge of what I need, and also provide all equipment like PPE. This uniform that I'm wearing now is free, including feeding. I don't need to think about what am I going to eat. Everything is already provided for us to concentrate on our study.
I did Spark before and it helped me to get back in my industry, which is environmental sciences and work health and safety. I've enjoyed the physical aspect where you're doing actual carpentry like trusses, and all this information is quite good because it makes you a better inspector.
I've been learning a lot. 93 is the last time I was in the college. I've been using tape measure, hammer, build stools, build toolbox.
I like building, using other machines.
They did the frame project, which is all about measuring, laying out, nailing together. They love that. They love putting all that together.
Trevor is a fantastic guy. The way that he explained it, in a very layman language, everybody can understand it.
It was very nice, very helpful, and very understanding in case some people might not understand everything that's going on. So it's very patient.
We're being, looked after properly. Mona and Mel, amazing people, they're always here to help. Very easy to ask them when you have problems, and they're always very happy to help, and just been amazing.
This thing gave me opportunity to move forward in my career. If I wanted to go back to school, this is an opportunity for me. If I wanted to go and work, I can work now because I have all what I need.
I was thinking to see what opportunities there are in building construction or civil construction.
When next time I'm going to planning to study carpentry.
This Spark program is very well for me. I think it's everyone.
That is a good opportunity for the learning with this course. Mel and Mona is the excellent person. I am very happy with this course.
The Umbrella Collective is really proud to work alongside Gin and Dairy on this project. We can never do anything alone, and we're working in partnership with UnitingCare Kippax to ensure that these programs are delivered really well on the ground here in Canberra.
Spark is all about collaboration. So without our stakeholders and our partners, these programs would not be possible. So I'd like to give a huge thank you to all of our program partners, to the Canberra Institute of Technology and Fee Free TAFE, which is a jointly funded initiative of the ACT and Australian governments. Thanks to Neoen, Gin and Dairy, UnitingCare Kippax, the Umbrella Collective, Workforce Australia and the Multicultural Hub. Muna and I have had an amazing time supporting all of the participants on their journey and witnessing their commitment and determination throughout the last 9 weeks. I'd like to say a huge congratulations to each and every one of you.
Good luck for the next chapter in your life.
Good luck with everything. I always say to my students, I want to see you do well and succeed. That's what I enjoy the most.